Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Multiplications Logic 1, Base 100, 2-digit numbers. Sum 2. How to multiply speedily? Okay, it is below 100. 91 into 99. It's for kids. Practice this method, you will give the answer within 30 seconds. Follow this logic. 91 into 99. Multiply. As shown in the image, write 91 into 99 equal to what? First we have to follow the logic. Unit place 1 and 9 is there. In tens place 9 is there. Logic 1, what we have told previous sum, same thing you have to follow. When we sum the unit place, it must be 10. That is 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Logic 2, tens place, the number should be same. See, just 9. Then use this logic. Tens place number 9 same number. 9 next number what it will be? 9 next number is 10. 9 tens are 90. That is left hand side. That is LHS. 1 nines are 9. That is not right hand side. Because base is 100. 2 zeros are there. So we have 2. The answer should be 2 digit. So we have to add 1 0. 9 is the right hand side answer. Keep in your mind please. Base is 100. 2 zeros are there. So right hand side number should be 2 numbers. That is 2 digits should be. That is the logic. So we are adding 0. 9. So total answer is 9009 is the answer. Speed calculations. 91 into 99. 9 next number is 10. 9 tens are 90. 1 nines are 9. Base is 100. 2 zeros are there. So 2 numbers should be in right hand side. So add 1 0 before 9. Answer is 9009. Within 20 seconds we can find the answer. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.